Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Our DTA schools have been doing this service since many decades. Motibag School looked like a dilapidated building, and whenever it rained, classroom ceiling used to leak. Hence, the building was renovated in the year 2015 with the cooperation of the alumni. Roof weather coating was also done to prevent seepage during rainy season. Classrooms that were in poor conditions were repaired, plaster work and repainting was also done. The exterior walls adjoining the primary wings were painted with concepts and colorful illustrations. All round safety measures were implemented by changing all old electrical wirings. Great attention was given for overall improvement of academic performance of the students. Directorate of Education, Government of NCT of Delhi awarded the Excellence in Education Award in Class 12 for the year 2017-18 to Mr. Mohit Longde with the silver medal, cash prize of Rs 5,000 and a certificate. Mr. Abhishek of Class 10th received the same award with the silver medal, cash prize of Rs 5,000 and a certificate in 2018 for securing 96% amongst all the aided school at the district level and scoring 100% in maths and science. A view of our well-equipped laboratories. The school website was refurbished to have speedier sharing of information with parents and also to regularly post the current news of the school and its events. 32 CCTV cameras were installed in 2016-17, covering all important segments of the school like gate, classrooms and corridors to monitor complete surveillance for the safety of the entire school and children. Cost saving measures like solar power system in the rooftop are being installed and almost 95% of work has been completed. Once it is finished and commissioned, it will cut the overall operating cost for the school, which will not only save money but also promote green practices. Biometric attendance control and SMS alert system have been introduced to improve attendance, punctuality and communication, resulting in better academic results. Further, increased the facilities like automatic electric bell for scheduling classes and RO water for health care of children. Training workshops for teachers are regularly being conducted to keep them updated with the day-to-day development in the education systems. School library is well organized and consists of large number of books based on curriculum and also have magazines, storybooks, newspapers, etc. New and modern methods are introduced to inculcate reading habits among the students. Activity room was designed with the help of alumni to make the learning process more fun and exciting. Our primary children love this place as it has many educational games where they perform many hands-on activities and other indoor activities. We came to know that many children are not having their breakfast regularly. With the support of alumni, our school primary children now start their day with a healthy, nutritious breakfast, which in turn helps to improve their attentiveness in studies. Every year, Directorate of Education, NCT of Delhi conducts science related activities such as science exhibition, science drama, science congress, etc. Our students participate in all the activities at all levels such as zonal, district, state and national level and bring laurel to the school. Defense training was provided to the girls in collaboration with the Delhi police. Training workshops for teachers are regularly being conducted to keep them updated with the day-to-day development in the education systems. The Eco Club is an integral part of schools' effort to promote environmental awareness among the students. We organize talent shows. These talent shows nurture the intrinsic quality of students and identify their hidden talents, which in turn it helps in their overall personality development. Our school believes that a sound mind rests in a sound body. Our school has state of art sports field. School ground comprises with cricket, football and basketball court. Our teachers inculcate team spirit and sound emotional health among students. Students participate in all intermediate competitions and intra-school competitions such as zonal, district and state level sports conducted by Directorate of Education. Whether it is sports activities, academic activities or school extracurricular activities, our Honorable Secretary Sri R. Raju comes in front, constantly supports and encourages both teachers and students. He is always there as a true leader and reformer to take all steps to reform and take the school to high level. We are thankful to him for all the support he gives. Inter-house competitions are organized every month to fetch out the hidden talents of the children and also to boost their creative thinking. Various competitions are held at different levels such as food without fire, rangoli, flower making, card making competitions, etc. Students participate in all house activities. At present, our Motibok school building is intact with all effective school facilities. Students are learning in an environment that is comfortable, safe, secure and aesthetically pleasing. We are able to achieve this because of the help rendered by philanthropic people and the alumni. Alumni are the reflection of its past, representation of its present and a link to its future. Though standard and infrastructures are improved, lot many things need to be done and much more alteration should be made for the betterment of the school. For all this, we will look forward to your continued support and cooperation in future also. Thank you.